Okay, so me, Haley, airplane. Let's do this. Airplane is where you go off the side of the bed and you try to balance yourself and not fall off. We want to let it cool. We want to let it make sure it's not hot.
And these lights. Why do we have all these lights on?
We're doing recording.
Mom! We're recording.
We're
doing a recording.
Where did I leave off? Let's just start over there. Excellent. Okay, so the airplane is where you hang off the side of the bed and you try to balance as best as you can without falling off and completely facepalm. So, here we go. I'm ready. Get set. Go.
On my face. Stop! You're like gonna make me throw up.
Good. I can feel it in my face.
Not as much as I can.
I think I just got my shorts. So it really hurts. I dare you to go home and try this and see how much pain we just experienced.
Just not for kids. Damn, I just totally forgot we turned that.
Kids are fun. I mean,
freaking striped.
That's all, folks.